You'd probably assume this animation was built in After Effects. It wasn't. The glowing curve, the scrolling timeline, the glass details and the counter rolling to 10,000 look like a full motion graphic project, but every single part of it was built inside CapCut. And in this video, I'm breaking down the entire build so you can recreate it yourself. I'm Dina, and I'm here to help you master CapCut the easy way. Let's jump in. First, add your background. I wouldn't spend much time on this. Mine is already sitting on the timeline, as you can see. So drop yours in and let's get to the good part. Start by adding the guides where you want to place the line. So just bring those in, just like that. Perfect. Now go to shapes and add a custom shape. Add the dots to the top of the inner guideline, then to the intersection, then the middle of the outer guideline, then the second intersection of the guidelines, and finally to the bottom of the inner line. Perfect. Now hold the middle point and drag it down until you get this half circle kind of shape. Don't stress if your curve isn't perfect on the first try. You can do it as many times you want, so no rush. You can nudge the points until it feels right. Now set these settings, choose your color. I set it to our green, weight 2, and leave opacity on 100. Create a compound clip from it, so right click and go down, scroll down there, create compound clip. Perfect. Then add a glow to it, so go to Effects and Glow 2. Next, go to Mask and add a split mask. Rotate it minus 180 degrees, set the feather to 50 and pull it up until the top of the line fades to dark. Perfect. Now create another compound clip because we need to do this the same mask on the bottom of the line as well. So in order for us to be able to do that, we need to create a new compound clip, and that's when we can apply the same mask to the bottom of the line. So once it's made, apply the same mask. And just like that, the line fades into darkness on both ends. That already looks way cleaner. Now we're adding a bit of glow to the outer side of the curve. So go to shapes, add a rectangle where the curve is, change the color to what you want. I change this to green and create a compound clip from it. Then add a circle mask to it, set the feather to 100, so max it out. Create this elliptic shape, just like that, and then create another compound clip. Perfect. Now, this next part is special. On Agnes's split mask video, someone in the comments asked how to mask with the pen tool. So if you're watching right now, hello. This one is specifically for you. So we need to mask out the parts on the inner side of the curve and line, and we do this with the pen tool. So grab the pen mask tool and create this shape the same way we created the shape in the beginning, and add the points first. Just like that. Perfect. Now making a curve with the mask pen tool is a bit different from the shape tools pen tool. So to curve it, click the dots, then hold Option on Mac and drag down or up to make the curve. Do the same with the outer dot as well to curve it. And there you go, you've just masked out an odd shape. This is how you use the mask tool properly. Quick one before we carry on. If you want free assets to use in your edits right now, there is a free creator starter pack at dinaandagnes.com. You get horizontal matte, social media matte, outline frames, an Apple log to Rec 709 lot, and 15 CapCut effect tutorials. Each one is under a minute and designed to create the kind of scroll-stopping visual hooks that make people stop and watch. All free. Links in the description. Now for the circle, go to Stickers, Shapes and add a circle shape. Change the following settings: a fill color 48, 48, 48 with opacity 30%. Then stroke set to solid, color a bit brighter than the fill, so 59, 59, 59 should be fine. Weight 1, opacity 100%. Duplicate that layer, change the fill color to gray color, 8B, 908B, that's what I used. Opacity remains 30% and turn off the fill. Create a compound clip from it and add a circle mask to it. Place it like this, just like that, and set the feather to 40. And you just created a glass effect on the circle. That little glass look is such a small detail, but it's exactly what separates a flat graphic from one that feels like a real interface. Now let's build the arrows. Add a text layer and type this symbol. Duplicate the layer 2 more times and place them 8 frames apart from each other. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Now add keyframes, so 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘. Add an opacity keyframe in the beginning and leave it on 100%. Move ahead 4 frames and reduce it to 50%. Then move ahead 4 frames again and pull it back to 100%. Do this on the other 2 text layers as well. Then copy these 3 text layers 4 more times so you end up with 5 in total. Highlight all and create a compound clip and add a glow to onto this compound clip and place the arrows in the middle of the circle. Perfect. Okay, so time to build the timeline itself, starting with the small lines. Add a text layer and type 5 dashes. Press enter and type it 2 more times so you have 3 lines in total. Then press enter and type 10 dashes so 1 line is double the size. And set that one to green. Perfect. Highlight all 4 rows. Copy and then paste it about 15-20 more times so you'll have enough space when we animate it. You should end up with a bunch of dashes in a vertical line. Go to the beginning of your text layer and add a position keyframe. Place your first green dash in the middle of the curve. Move ahead a couple of seconds, 4 in my case, and add the second keyframe by dragging the vertical line of dashes to the last one. Just like that. Fantastic. CapCut will automatically add the second keyframe. Press Option plus K to open the curve animator. Highlight both keyframes on the Y position and apply an ease preset. Then press Option plus K to close the animator. That's it. Fantastic. Okay, so here's a trick that saves you typing out nearly 2 years of month by hand. We're getting Claude to do it for us. So go to Claude and type this prompt in. Right, so once you get the SRT file, go to Text, Local Captions and import the SRT file you just created. Just click here and then you can choose from your computer and add it to your timeline. Brilliant. Now let's animate it. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the layer on position. Place your first month in the middle of the curve next to the first green line. Move ahead a couple of seconds, 4 in my case, and add the second keyframe by dragging the vertical line of month to the last one. CapCut will automatically add the second keyframe. Now press Option plus K again to open the curve animator. Highlight both keyframes on the Y position and apply an ease preset. Then you can just press Option plus K to close this. Fantastic. Now highlight both text layers and create a compound clip. As always, add a glow to effect to it with these settings, glow 50 and then size 25. Brilliant. Finally, add a rectangle mask and place it over the middle of the curve. Set the feather to around 70 and this will let the rest of the timeline fade into dark on the edges. Look at that. Brilliant. It just looks so sophisticated. The month and markers scrolling along the curve, fading at the edges. This is starting to feel expensive. Now for the star of the show, the rolling counter. Go to Claude or ChatGPT and type this in. Now, once you get the SRT file, go to Text and Local Captions again and import it and then add it to your timeline. Brilliant. Make the 10,000 green and make it longer than the rest. Change the font and size it up. If you want to do mass editing, keep the apply to all main caption box ticked. And when you just want to edit one, for example, the green one, turn it off and highlight the text layer you want to change. Fantastic. Once you're done with the settings, place it where you want it to be and create a compound clip from all layers and add a glow to effect with these settings, a glow 70 and size 20. Then go to speed and speed it up a little. 2.2 should be fine. When it gets to 10,000, cut it and apply a fade-in animation to the 10,000 part. Do the same thing with the compound clip of the arrows and circles. Just go to that layer where 10,000 starts, place your playhead and just cut it there. Go inside the compound clip and change the color to green. That moment where everything flips to green as the counter lands on 10,000, that's the payoff shot. That's the frame people will screenshot. Now the last build, add a circle shape, turn off the fill, set the stroke to green, weight 1, opacity 100%. Brilliant. Create a compound clip and add a glow to effect to it. Now add your photo, go to mask, circle mask, cut it out and size it down to fit into the circle we just added. Add a text layer and type your name, then add a verified badge, size it down and place it next to your name. Once all done, create a compound clip. As the last step, add a text layer and type followers. Place it underneath the counter and set it to gray. And as a final touch, add sound effects to make the whole thing sound as professional as it looks. A few subtle whooshes and ticks under the counter completely change how this animation feels. That's it, you're done. If you want everything in one place, the Creator Asset Pack has lots, motion graphics, motion backgrounds, overlays and sound effects, all built to work together and designed to speed up your entire workflow. Link is in the description. If this video was useful, a like and a subscribe means a lot. It helps us know we're making the right stuff. Now go create something awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.